Hi guys! Welcome back! Welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. Splash! Na-miss ko kayo! Sorry, kasi busy ang Mrs. Splash niyo. So, ngayon, may bibigay ako kay Mr. Splash. Watch ya guys. Reflex Active Amuled. So, parang maganda siya kasi matagal na kasing hindi bumili si Mr. Splash ng watch niya. Kaya ngayon, nagustuhan ko to, nakita ko to, kaya ibibigay ko sa mahal kong asawa. Hindi yung siya lang laging nagbibigay sa akin. So, kailangan din ako kailangan din natin silang bilhan, di ba? So, tawagin na natin siya. Sweetheart! My love! Mr. Splashy World.
Hello, Mrs. Splashy World. Here I am. Hello, my love.
I have something for you.
Oh my God. Sweetheart. What have you been and gone and done? No way.
Can you open for that?
Oh my gulay. Tingnan
nyo guys, wala na siyang relo. Oh. Ayan. So, yung relo kasi niya, matagal na talaga kaya kailangan ko ng palitan.
Sweetheart, thank you very, very much.
I love you.
And I love you too. But you really didn't need to. And I've got your lipstick on now.
No, we don't have. No lipstick.
Thank you very much, sweetheart.
Okay.
Wow, that is truly incredible. I never expected that. Wow.
Ang taong naging nagbibigay kay Mrs. Splash. So ngayon, siya naman yung time na Pero, ganun lang man talaga mag-asawa, di ba? Yan.
Wow, metal strap as well. Wow, look at that.
Yes, guys, kasi binilhan niya ako ng ganito before, di ba? Yan. So, ngayon, bilhan ko siya ng ganyan.
Look at that.
Pero mita lang yung sa kanya. Can you try, my love, to put in your... No. You try first in your...
See if it fits. Well, of course it fits.
Yeah.
There's a magnetic catch on that.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, that's cool. So you just pull it tight and flip it over.
Yeah.
Somebody's really well thought that out. So you just wrap it round.
Yeah.
And push it closed on itself. That's it.
Yeah.
Wow, how cool is that? It's just a magnetic catch.
Kasi si Mr. Splash, guys, mahilig yan sa color na black. Most of his clothes is blacky. Most.
It's metal like my other watch. Like my other one.
Okay.
Wow. So I need to
charge
it. So there's a lead that came with it to charge it, and a magnetic catch on there.
Yeah. So where is the? Okay. The manual.
Well, no need a manual.
No. I just. So the manual is this one.
Whoa.
So meaning guys, my music player siya, message notification, camera control.
Oh, I see.
Stand up and move a little for 1 minute. Time to drink. Find my phone and the weather updates.
Oh, there you go. Oh, it's charging.
Ganyan. So yan na dyan, guys.
It's charging, guys.
Nag-charge na siya.
It's charging. Have a look at that. Wow. Charging.
Yeah. So, thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you very much, my lovely wife. She's amazing. Wow, what a lovely gift. From a lovely, beautiful wife. I love you.
Love you too. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.